Jury deliberations are scheduled to continue tomorrow in the double murder trial of a former TikTok star. CBS 8's Shannon Handy spoke with a criminal defense attorney today about the charges Ali Abulaban is facing and how his behavior in court might play a role.
The jury just got this case at the end of the day Friday, so tomorrow will be their first full day of deliberations. The question isn't, did he kill two people? He admitted to that. It's, is he guilty of first-degree murder, second-degree murder, or voluntary manslaughter?
First-degree murder is with an intent to kill with malice aforethought. Second-degree murder is killing somebody intending to do so with malice, not premeditated. Voluntary manslaughter is killing someone in the heat of passion.
Criminal defense attorney Gretchen Von Helms says when jurors meet tomorrow morning, they'll start discussing the lesser of those three charges and work their way up.
It starts at voluntary, and then you have to get 12 to say, yes, that's what happened. And then you ask 12, hey, is it second degree? Does everybody convinced in second degree? And if they say yes, and then they go up to first degree, is everyone convinced in first degree? If two people, for example, say no, then it has to remain at second degree.
This trial has gone on for nearly a month, so jurors have a lot of evidence to consider. Not only that, but Von Helms says Ali Abulaban's outbursts in court, which were often aimed at the prosecutor, could play a role in their verdict as well.
Show me what you just said. You were not going to breeze over that. You're not going to paint me as something I'm not.
If you can get a defendant to blow up at you on a domestic violence killing case, then it shows that that guy has anger. And so she very cleverly just was pick, asking him question after question after question to get him to explode. And he exploded on her. And then the jury can think, oh, maybe that's what he did with his wife.
Abulaban is charged with killing his wife, Anna, and her friend, Ray Barron, inside an East Village high-rise in October 2021. While the prosecution has presented evidence of a tumultuous relationship between Abulaban and Anna, Abulaban's defense has maintained he was a heavy cocaine user whose mental state was impacted by the breakdown of his marriage. So although his courtroom behavior may benefit the prosecution, Von Helms says it could also help the defense.
It shows that he has lack of a frontal lobe. If your frontal lobe is affected by either drugs, mental illness, which in this case both apply, then that stops you from being able to say, I shouldn't do that.
Regardless of what the jury decides, Abulaban is looking at spending decades, possibly life in prison. The judge will determine his exact sentence later on. As for how long deliberations will take, it could range from hours to several days. Shannon Handy, CBS 8.